Today, I'm not asking you to call Sam. I'm asking you to call them.
At Stanley Steamer, we've built our business on cleaner and healthier homes. According to the CDC, proper cleaning is the first step in any disinfection process. In response to the corona crisis, we've decided to offer a complimentary service. We'll be applying our carpet disinfectant prior to all carpet and upholstery cleaning. It's part of our commitment that a cleaner home is a healthier home. Stanley Steamer is at the forefront of service companies in protecting our customers and employees. Call 1-800-STEAMER or visit StanleySteamer.com.
A better grip, right when you need it. The 2020 Nissan Altima. Get a low $199 per month lease on the 2020 Nissan Altima.
Now on Daybreak, Relief Bill Round 2. A political battle in the Senate will lead to a vote on the stimulus package that failed last night. Why Republicans are calling obstruction while Democrats say we're apart.
Also, service changes for the Rapid, which hours the agency will cut and which routes will stay.
As we enter week 2 of the mandatory school shutdown, teachers and staff here at Allward Elementary said it's the perfect time for a parade. Why they're doing this, coming up.
And a frontline thanks from the heart.
Where people lined up over the weekend to make sure our healthcare workers feel appreciated. Good morning. It's 6 o'clock now on your Monday. I'm Teresa Weekly.
I'm Casey Jones, and Daybreak starts now.
This is News 8 Daybreak from Wood TV. Tracking the coronavirus outbreak.
Today, Governor Whitmer will address the state around 11 this morning. She'll likely take questions about a total state shutdown, lack of testing, and her feelings on federal help as we enter day 14 of COVID-19 here in our state. There are now more than 1,000 confirmed cases.
36 of those are in West Michigan. Spectrum Health announced that the first patient there died Saturday, a man in his 70s.
This is a look at the progression of the disease here in Michigan. You can see that curve that medical professionals have been talking about. This is the curve they're trying to flatten.
Testing more impacts the curve. We're seeing a sharp jump, which is what doctors said would happen because of the increased testing. They say it's important that we continue to social distance and take other measures to level this out so we don't overwhelm the healthcare system. Our first social distancing measure in Michigan was to close schools. That only happened a week ago, so we're not seeing the impact yet from those measures.
We're going to get to more about the state and federal efforts to continue to try and flatten that curve in just a bit, but we start with your forecast. It is the first full week of spring, but when you look outside, it's not going to look like that.
We have snow on the ground, and it's flurrying out there. What's going on, Terry?
Well, the back edge of the snow is out over the central part of Lake Michigan, but I'll tell you what, as you look at Kalamazoo, we didn't have very many days this entire winter weather season that showed this much snow coming together for a morning commute, but we are looking at widespread snow across the region. The back edge of it just off the Lake Michigan shoreline, arriving into downtown Grand Rapids between 7:30 and 8 o'clock and around 7:45 in the to US 131 in northern Kalamazoo County. As you can see, the back edge of the snow is really the back edge of the precipitation. We are going to be back to at least partial sunshine by the end of the day. Temperatures are at or below freezing, so watch for some slippery spots around, especially the sidewalks, parking lots, and driveways this morning. We'll have some slippery spots certainly piling up. And then as we head to the afternoon, we'll have melting snow to look forward to with at least partial sunshine and temperatures in the 40s. Now coming up, we will preview the rest of that 8-day forecast. It does include some much milder weather building in, and of course we'll have a special report on late season snow coming up from Matt Kirkwood. All of that coming your way in the next half hour. But first, Tom Hillen, how are drivers doing this morning?
So far things looking pretty good out there. We are obviously going to work with some slippery conditions as folks make their way out onto area roadways, but right now things are looking okay. You can see the I-94 corridor throughout Kalamazoo, not experiencing any major problems there, and we are crash free. That is the case for I-196 US 31 along the lakeshore as well. And then as we take a closer look at all the freeways heading into downtown GR, not running into any slowdowns, and so far we don't have any crashes out there. I'll have another update for you coming up in about 15 minutes. Casey and Teresa.
Thank you, Tom. It's 6:03. The coronavirus has hit Capitol Hill. 5 senators will not be there for a vote today after one became the first to test positive for COVID-19 in the upper chamber.
The rest will vote on a $1 trillion coronavirus relief bill this afternoon.